Hello, my name is Koen. I will show you a quick Python script. If I press Alt P, it will run the script. The script produces with IfcOpenShell IFC model, if you can see here, with a cavity wall, beam, slabs, coverings, and a grid. And the intention is to make everything parametric with at least the least amount of configuration variables. So I have these are the configuration variables. Building stories amount, I can put whatever I like. C5 and all the detail will be correct. And the idea is if I adjust the cavity wall, everything moves with it. So if I adjust, say, the cavity thickness, double in size, see the outside wall moves with it. I can also change the thickness of the outside wall. Let's make it a real thick one. And the beam moves with it. After these IFC grid is also parametric. I can double them in size, so it means all the building will also double in size. I can show you here. Um, yeah, and I can also adjust the dimensions in between. So if I double this, half it, it will be original size again. Oh, other idea way. Well, yeah, that's the idea, and technically it's not really parametric. I have this method I use. I completely discard the IFC from BlenderBIM, and then the IFC file is written with IfcOpenShell and reloads again in BlenderBIM. So it looks like it's parametric, but actually it's not parametric. Well, you could say it just unloads the IFC and reloads it. And to demonstrate how fast BlenderBIM is with visualizing IFC, I can put something ridiculous here at the building stories. Let's say 99 building stories. And it loads almost instantly. I think that's really impressive from BlenderBIM. Well, that was the little demo.